What are you waiting for? Give me the ring. Ah, here. Come on, come on. You said it was the right. Yeah, right? Right. And one more thing, Vegeta. We'll stay stuck like this forever. What? Imbecile! Now you told me? Don't you think that should be important information? Okay, it's on. Okay, Vegeta. Let's do it. Uh, 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 uh. All right, let's do this. Hello, people of America, and welcome back to another Dragon Ball Z toy review, or DBZ. Chris gave me this yesterday, and it's pretty awesome. Today, we're going to review the fusion of Goku and Vegito. I mean, this isn't an SH figure art, it's just a regular toy. And Chris said he got this 2 years ago. And he used this in his stop motion in his old video. I'll put a link in the description for that video below. So yeah, here we got Vegito. Pretty cool. And you see here is probably, that part is probably Goku's shirt. And the rest of the blue part is probably Vegeta's. And the shoes, I'm not sure. The gloves, I think the gloves might be Vegeta's. And the hair is mostly Vegeta. The face, not sure. I've read in some Dragon Ball Z wiki that when Vegeta transforms into a Super Saiyan, he mostly looks like Goku. And here's the funny thing: you see his shirt? It's broken into two. This is the back one. This is the front one. So yeah, shirt is for Vegeta with these nice looking abs. The ladies will go for this one. Now, this isn't all Chris gave me. Well, he told me he lost a hand. He also gave me Super Saiyan Vegito, or Super Vegito. So yeah, let's put Super Vegito's head on. Now, people would normally call this Super Saiyan Vegito, but you can just call me Super Vegito. This is your end. Ouch. He just fell down. Well, that this is for this video review of Vegito. I don't know what else to review, since all I got is the chain stuck to head. But yeah, I like Vegito very much. He's really cool, and I'm sure you people too. And I'm sure you people like him too, for those of you who watch Dragon Ball Z. Okay, thank you guys for watching this Dragon Ball Z review. Don't forget to hit that like button and then subscribe for more. See you next time.